Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw assets from Exodus wallet to bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Exodus app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now click on the wallet icon beside the Exodus logo at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in, you just have to select the asset to withdraw and the blockchain. So let's say you want to go with the Bitcoin. Simply tap on this, and after that insert the amount that you want to withdraw. However, it is important to note that Exodus wallet is only intended for the cryptocurrency, not for fiat money. Thus, it does not support local bank transfer and withdrawal to convert your cryptocurrency into fiat money. In order to that, you will need to use a dedicated exchange platform. And that's how you can withdraw assets from Exodus wallet to bank account. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.